Hello guys, today we're reviewing the LG 34WQ55QK-B 34-inch ultra-wide curved monitor, a display built to boost productivity and elevate your entertainment setup. If you're constantly juggling windows and switching between tabs, this monitor makes a huge difference. With its 34-inch WQHD resolution at 3440 by 1440, you get the workspace of two screens combined into one seamless ultra-wide panel. Multitasking feels smoother and more organized without the distraction of thick bezels in the middle. Visually, it delivers sharp detail and vibrant color. HDR10 support and high sRGB coverage help bring videos, creative projects, and even casual games to life, with better contrast and more accurate tones. Comfort is also a priority. The adjustable stand lets you fine-tune height and tilt, while built-in eye care features, like reader mode, help reduce blue light during long work sessions. Connectivity is flexible too, with USB-C, HDMI, and DisplayPort options, plus picture-by-picture support for viewing multiple sources at once. Overall, the LG 34WQ55QK-B offers expansive screen space, strong color performance, and practical features in a sleek, ultra-wide design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.